Hello friends, welcome to C.Saral Plus. Today we discuss about purchase voucher. Okay, just click on here purchase. In here add name. After that, in your bill, in your purchase bill, you just found your party name. So that in here you write your party name. I have a party, so that I will from that name. Okay, in here I am a mobile wholesaler, so that I will bill like that. I will do bill like that. Okay, in here I just keep this supplier GST number and his invoice number, and in the invoice tag. Okay, after that in the lot ID I have a mobile, a new model name like Galaxy. See here, nothing happened here, so that I will create this product name as a new, so that in here you just click new good lot. Okay, I have a no account of this product, so that I will create it in the new good slot. Okay, after that in here company name, this product brand ID, so that I will write down the brand name Samsung. Okay, in here category, this is the category of product mobile, this is the category of product, and a tax. In the tax GST 18%, and here you just write down your product name like as Galaxy Note 2 and Note 2, and its model number is 12546. Okay, in the unit of measurement you just click you just write piece or pop, whatever it may be. After that in the selling price, this product I want to sell 10,000. okay, after MRP you just click on sell product. Okay, in here you found Galaxy Note 2 12456 model number and his brand name. Okay, in the purchase bill I want in the purchase bill, in here in the quantity section I have purchased 10 set of Galaxy Note. Okay, this unit price, per unit price I found in bill 7,800. okay, after that you just click on add line. All the things happen in the invoice total amount will be matched on the screen. Okay, after all these things you just click in here save. That's the purchase bill. Okay, you just see in here invalid GST number. If your GST number is wrong, it will see like that. So you just click in here, erase all the data. Okay, in the GST sessions. Okay, after that you just click on save. Okay, thank you, bye bye.